am talking about efforts of government in preventing drugs and our responsibility. First, nowadays many people are addicting to the drugs. In this, many of them are youth. Youth is the role model for upcoming generations. But the youth only destroying, then our upcoming generations will also be coming up with destroying. So youth will develop our country now. Then youth only destroying, so upcoming generations will destroy. So we must need to be avoid drugs. Many of students are addicting to the drugs, and they can't know what they are doing. They can't control themselves when they take drugs. So what is the efforts that is doing with the government is the government implement many laws and organize many organizations. NDPS is established in 1985. It is one of the organization, and one of the awareness campaigns there, NMBA. It is launched in 2020. And for the students of schools and colleges, the government should giving some of the programs of the drugs to prevent drugs and to be stay far away from drugs, avoid drugs, and they are encouraging students to avoid drugs. And polices, customs, many of people are catching the people who is supplying the drugs, drug mafias. What is our responsibility? Not only the government responsibility, we also have responsibility to prevent drugs and avoid drugs. So, for suppose as a teacher, when a teacher can see the change in one student, then he must call their parents and talk with them what is going on, he is listening your words or not, he is reading or not, like this. For suppose as a family member, if the family member is having anything problem, he will think first he will take drugs. It is relaxation for health. But the family members should encourage him and give dare, don't do drugs, avoid drugs. And as my view, I am a student, I will promise that I don't go to the places of drugs. I don't use it. And from rural areas, the people think after the 10th they need to go and study at the developed cities, developing places. They go and study, but their parents are afraid to send them because they will habitate for the drugs. So thank you, sir.